If you have a course or a coaching program, memberships are a perfect complement. And here's the thing, they can also be very simple. They do not have to be complicated. One of the number one things that we hear from people hesitating to even look at a potential membership model is they think that they're going to be chained down and have to show up every single day of the week and have support issues and all these other things. And I'm letting you know, you can be very intentional and very purposeful on what your deliverables are. In a lot of cases, you can probably pre-create an entire year's worth of content that can be slowly scheduled and delivered over that period of a year, as an example. So you can be intentional in creating the right membership model that serves you, that serves your community, that is a win-win-win for everyone all the way around. Memberships do not have to be complicated. And I really want to reinforce that to you. They can be very streamlined, very simple. It all comes down to the promise that you are making. Now, if you have a coaching program, what better thing to put on the back, because you know there's only so many people that are going to keep renewing for another coaching element. But if you had a maintenance program, if you had a back-end membership that gave the opportunity for people to stay connected with you even after that experience. Same thing with a course. The natural tension that people have, if you have a program that people go through, and you might call it a program or course or some type of element that has a time-based thing, that when people go through it, it could be 4 weeks, 5 weeks, could be 108 days, like whatever your time frame is. It's like when they get to the end, there most likely was a sense of community, there's a sense of belonging, there was like natural energy, you got them to wake up every day and to make forward progress in whatever you're teaching and supporting them. And then suddenly at the end of the program, it's like, oh, thank you very much, goodbye. And here's the thing, there's a lot of people that would love to continue that journey with you, that would love to lean in to an opportunity that you present them. And that's commonly known as a back-end membership, where you have something in the front that people go through and it creates a natural tension where it only gets satisfied as if you give them the next offer, if you give them the next opportunity to continue the journey with you. Now, sometimes it'll be an ascension where you take people from a course into a high-level membership because they want something a little bit more involved. And sometimes it's more of a maintenance type thing where they got the big, huge thing that you gave them through your program, your course, whatever that product or service is, but then there's an element of a maintenance behind that as well. So the interesting thing is a lot of people, we use our own junk that we have in our head, our own preconceived ideas and experiences that we had that stop us from seeing the opportunities that are in front of us. And I'm letting you know, people that we coach and people that we've helped, we've gotten them past that block. And that's what I want you to do today is I really want you to think of how can a membership be possible? What elements do I put in place to protect my time, to protect my energy, and even financial resources so that I can build a membership that I also would love, not just the people that I would invite into it. You can be very intentional, very purposeful. And again, it's all about the long game. It's having a lifetime value of a client, having something where you truly can help people make the transformation that you want for them. Nobody loses. It's a win-win-win all the way around. And the interesting thing is because we're intentional, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. It does not have to be complicated.